Doing the dishes, isn't it the worst? All those pots, pans, plates, cups, and silverware just sitting there, waiting for your hands to wash them. When all you want to do after a hard day is plop down on the couch and put your mind to ease. I know you're asking yourself, why did I buy a house with no dishwasher? That's okay. Ajax Dish Soap is here to make this unpleasant task quicker and easier, so you can get back to doing the things you love. When you use a lesser brand, like Dawn, Palmolive, or, heaven forbid, Member's Mark, you'll end up doubling the time spent painfully bent over that sink, scrubbing till your arms fall off. Is that ivory in your pump? Washing dishes by hand is hard enough. Why add a cheap soap to an already difficult situation? If I may continue, Ajax Dish Soap has some additional impressive cleaning abilities I haven't even mentioned yet. Oh dear, I think I've heard of this phenomenon. The bargain basement soap's poor quality ingredients are infiltrating your bloodstream, causing a dangerous delusional state rife with hallucinations.
Stuck in the shit.
Ajax soap will never cause painful psychic breaks like those other brands. We're not interested in plumbing the depths of your psyche for weak points to exploit, like Dawn or Palmolive are. Ajax soap is all about getting those dishes clean. Just make a quick trip to the store to purchase some of our superior Ajax brand soap. It's not too late to keep the delusions at bay.
Catch it.
You're still washing with the inferior soap. Don't you get it? Don't you understand? Maybe you're stuck in the shit.
Fucking insect.
The hallucinations are right. Maybe you don't deserve our fine soap sudsing all of your crappy dishes. We're out of here, fuckhead. Oh no, another hallucination.